What's up everybody? In this video we're gonna continue on our Blender video editing series and we're gonna trim the footage. So in the last video we created our project, we set up our project file, set up some settings, and we imported our media. So in this video we're gonna be cutting the media down, trimming it, and just doing some basic editing. So I'm gonna show you two ways to do that if you just have one video clip and you want to edit it. So for example, the only editing I want to do in this one is I wanted to start right here and I want it to end before this. So there's two ways to do that in Blender. The easiest way to do it is to change your start and end point down here. So I'm just gonna find my start point with the playhead here. I can click and drag this, or I can hit play. And not yet. Okay, so I'm gonna start it right. Once I turn it around. Okay, I'll start it right there. So looking at this number 2178, all I have to do is type that right there. And now it'll make that gray work area start right there, and then the ending I want just right around here is fine. So 9032. And I don't need to worry about subtracting one because it's not the end of the clip. So if it's one frame in front or behind, I'm not too worried about that. So now that my work area is just the size of the portion that I want, I could go ahead and be done with this. I could export it. And it would only export this area, which is fine. But let's say that I have more than one clip, so I need to actually trim this clip. That's pretty easy to do. I'll just find where I want to start it. Right there. Highlight the clips, and I think you hit the K key. So hitting the K on the keyboard, or let's see, I believe you can go to strip. Let's see. Split. So you can either click K on the keyboard or highlight your clips and go to strip split, and that'll cut your clip right there. And then I can highlight this and hit delete. That'll make it go away, and then just like before, I'll drag my playhead to the beginning, grab this, hold Control, and Control will snap it to there. And then I'll find the end of what I want. Let's say right there. These are both highlighted. Hit the K key, or I'll go to strip split. Highlight that. Press delete, and then now that this is the last frame, I just want to make my end 6756 because I want to subtract 1. So that's it. That's how you edit a clip in Blender. There are two ways to do it. I showed you how to just edit the work area and you could export that way, or how to actually cut the clip. And you definitely want to cut the clip if you have more clips that you're going to be working with. But if you just have one clip and you just want to adjust the start and the end, you can just adjust these numbers and export. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to go through exporting and actually get this new trimmed file out of Blender into a new video file. So I'll see you in the next video.